Everybody is a superstar in their own right, and nobody's a superstar anymore.
Everyone feels the need to scream louder than the other.
If he doesn't get awarded for dialogues, I'm going to start my own awards.
जो यंग होते हैं वो बेस्ट एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस की कैटेगरी में आते हैं, बाकी सपोर्टिंग होते हैं. What do you mean by supporting?
11 million views and my work created by someone who's eating my credit has 100 million views.
एक्टिंग के ऊपर कौन बात करेगा? फिर सिनेमा के ऊपर कौन बात करेगा? अगर आर्टिस्ट ही सिनेमा के ऊपर बात नहीं कर रहा है, एक्टिंग के ऊपर बात नहीं करेगा, तो फिर कौन करेगा?
मतलब इसमें ऐसा है कि जितना जल्दी फेल हो जाओगे ना उतना अच्छा है.
क्या बात?
फेल अर्ली, फेल फास्ट, सो दैट यू नो हाउ टू गो अबाउट इट.
कि हमारी इंडस्ट्री लाख बुरी है, लेकिन इसमें ना टैलेंट जो है वो सर चढ़ के बोलता है, वो छुपता नहीं है.
You can't buy art. It's priceless. And you have to earn these things. You have to earn respect.
वो आमिर का डायलॉग है जिसमें वो कहते हैं अपन पब्लिक है, जो अपन को पसंद नहीं उसका पत्ता गुल, और जो अपन को, that's the truth of life, man.
Stardom is over. Everybody is a superstar in their own right, and nobody's a superstar anymore.
That's a very interesting.
That era is over.
Today, again, I think that's one of the pitfalls of social media. You know, people have actually, no one has an opinion, but everyone has an opinion. I don't know how that works. Because actually, I don't know. Most people know nothing about nothing, and I'm sorry to be saying this. But everyone feels the need to scream louder than the other. And I don't feel that compulsion, and I don't care whoever calls me a coward or it's my life, it's my voice, I'll use it where I want to, when I want to, and I won't when I don't.
कुछ भी हो जाए, सीधा आता है कि फिल्म वालों आप इस पर ओपिनियंस क्यों नहीं दे रहे? आपने इसके बारे में कुछ नहीं कहा आपने. बट ये अक्सर सिर्फ फिल्म वालों के पास होता है. मैंने तो कभी देखा नहीं कि ये सारे क्रिकेटर्स के पास जाते हैं. जो टॉप 10 क्रिकेटर्स हैं या टॉप 15 क्रिकेटर्स हैं, उनकी ओपिनियन कोई पूछता नहीं है. इनफैक्ट आई जस्ट फील दैट क्रिकेट एंड फिल्म्स आर एज मच अ religion in this country, equal, no?
One advocate, she's a lawyer, and she texted me and she said that this is what happened. She was 18 years old and she got pregnant because this guy must have promised God knows what he did, and that girl went under depression. She went to her for counseling, so she knew that girl, and then later that girl got lost. So she's like, but she couldn't speak because she was a normal girl, and because he was a so-called celebrity, so she couldn't speak about. But because this matter is out, I want to tell you, there are so many girls who have texted me. There's a girl, she doesn't want to reveal her identity, but then she told me that how this guy drugged her to do stupid things with her, and these were all 18, 17-year-old girls.
To propose Shraddha for marriage in 10 seconds, what would you tell her?
I'll keep you safe, I'll keep you warm, you can trust me forever, and I'll take care of your family as well. That's pretty cool. Huh?
That's amazing. Wow. That's amazing.
Oh my God.
What was your feeling when you saw Deepika at JNU yesterday, with standing in solidarity with Aishik Ghosh, who was brutally attacked recently, and with the JNU students?
मेरे हिसाब से ये बहुत वायलेंस बहुत ऑफल होती है, एंड जिस तरीके से ये हमारे देश में अभी ये चल रहा है, ये माहौल चल रहा है, आई रियली कांट बिलीव इट कि ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई रिस्पेक्ट व्हाट दीपिका डिड yesterday, and I hope that a lot of people would stand up.
Interestingly, whenever these campaigns have happened, the movies have done well, be it Dangal, be it Veeri the Wedding. So there have been so many examples.
Absolutely. Before we started rolling, I said it's a beautiful line which I read and so relevant in our times, that courage, like fear, is contagious. And I think Deepika has made sure that courage is going to be contagious.
I think nobody writes serious issue dialogues as brilliantly as he does, because they're so simple, but yet so impactful.
Dialogues are amazing in this movie.
I'm telling you,
so many of them.
If he doesn't get awarded for dialogues, I'm going to start my own awards. And then keep giving it to him for every film he wrote.
This is a tough industry. The kind of the competition here is extreme, and it is unfair of me to say that it's unfair, because everyone goes through it. Everybody goes through rejection, and you have to face that rejection, because if you don't face that rejection, then you can't handle life, and you can't be in this industry, because this industry, no matter where you reach in life, in this industry, no matter what stage, there will be a lot of setbacks.
Our exports are very small. We are doing only less than $300-400 million a year, which is nothing, which is the business of one film in China.
Sure.
So actually, it's a mindset of our filmmakers and stars that they are not thinking seriously enough to address larger audience. Aamir has made some attempt.
Yeah.
You know, it is a conscious attempt, so he went and cultivated. Shah Rukh started doing it because a niche developed around him in Germany, but he's given up. He's not concentrating enough. Salman has never bothered. He is happy with his diaspora audience.
Neena ji, I had a bit of a problem with the entire award division, the way it happened with Badhaiyo, for example. You know, I felt that you guys deserve to be nominated in the Best Actor and Actress category, and when that Best Supporting Actor and Actress thing happens, I find it like ridiculous. आप कैसे देखती हैं इसको? That
मेरे को अवार्ड अब मिलने शुरू हुए
जी,
तब मैंने इस बारे में सोचना शुरू किया मैंने ये सोचना शुरू किया कि व्हाट इज अ सपोर्टिंग तो होना ही नहीं चाहिए.
right.
बेस्ट एक्टर होता है या बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस होते हैं. अब जरूरी नहीं है कि यंग होगा तो ही वो बेस्ट एक्टर होगा.
Exactly.
तो ये हमारे यहाँ प्रथा चली आ रही है कि जो हीरो हीरोइन होते हैं, मतलब जिन पे फिल्म बेस्ड होती है,
Right.
जो यंग होते हैं, वो बेस्ट एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस की कैटेगरी में आते हैं. बाकी सपोर्टिंग होते हैं. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सपोर्टिंग? इफ आई मे आस्क यू, टेल मी, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सपोर्टिंग एक्टर? नो, आई बीन थिंकिंग अबाउट इट.
I have to say, if like whenever I get married and whoever I get married to, I have to be completely cracked with that person.
No, I think that
I have to. It's very important.
That is important.
For me. For me, I have to be like full.
That makes sense. What?
Which is
गया वो जमाना जब सिनेमा ओल्ड था. हम हीरो हीरोइन को प्यार को ही देखते थे, उनके बालों को ही देखते थे, उनके कपड़ों को ही देखते थे, उनके डायलॉग के अंदाज को देखते थे. लेकिन अब दिल मांगे कंटेंट, अब दिल मांगे कहानी, दिल मांगे कैरेक्टर. तो जब बात कैरेक्टर पे आती है तो हम कैरेक्टर एक्टर कहाँ से बच सकते हैं? हमें तो मिलेगा ही ना काम.
I mean, it's taking us a lot of effort to understand the taste of the audience. Look at the successes in the past, in the recent past. The audience is making very brave choices, and they are not caring about the size of the film or who's starring in it. They just smell something new about the film and they go and watch it.
How would you react to following YouTube comments on Malang trailer? दिशा मैम, टाइगर को छोड़ो, आदित्य को BF बना लो, जबरदस्त जोड़ी है.
See, he is my best friend. He is my best friend.
BFF. On BFF.
BF.
Complete the following sentences, please. Prabhas will make a good husband because he has.
Because he's Bahubali, yaar. Epitome.
If you could change one thing about your journey in Big Boss house, what would it be?
Very honestly, I don't think I'd want to change anything about my journey in the Big Boss house because it was 100% me, and good, bad, ugly, whatever it was, it is the way I am, and that's fine. Of course, a lot of those situations do not come, but your reactions to those situations coming that persistently towards you, you reacted the way it was. I don't think I would want to change anything because I'm honestly very happy with the journey.
तो ये आपकी जो केमिस्ट्री आप लोगों की जो है सिड नाज की और ट्रेंड होता रहता है कॉन्स्टेंटली ट्विटर पे, आपको क्या लगता है इसका क्या राज है?
इसका राज सिद्धार्थ एंड शहनाज, क्योंकि आप पता है क्या, मुझे ऐसे लगता है क्योंकि मैंने ना कभी उसके लिए बिग बॉस में भी जब थी, मैं कभी फेक नहीं रही उसके प्रति, तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं ना. तो मतलब मेरा जो रिलेशन था ना उसके साथ, वो सच्ची मेरे को जब हर्ट होता था कोई भी बात ना मेरी घूम घुमा के वहां पे ही बात आती थी कि ये क्या कर रहा है, अच्छा इसको हर्ट करने के लिए मैं फ्लिप भी कर देती थी, इसको हर्ट, इसने अच्छा ऐसे किया, अच्छा अब मैं ऐसे करूंगी. मतलब मेरा सब कुछ ही वही था बिग बॉस में.
वो पागलों की तरह डे नाइट उनकी आंखों के नीचे डार्क सर्कल आ गए, सारा दिन वो लोग लिस्टिंग बनाने में, इनको कोऑर्डिनेशन करने में, चढ़ाने में पागल हो चुके हैं सब लोग. बट एक जुनून है, एक लक्ष्य है कि जब तक आखिरी माइग्रेंट को हम लोग घर तक नहीं छोड़ के आएंगे, हम लोग ये जंग है छोड़ेंगे.
And Sushant has, like I'm always mentioned, he had opened gates for young talents like Radhika Madan and Moni and many others. So he was our leader, and we really thought that we were like an army.
Okay, tell us something about your role in Shakun Batra's next. How excited are you to work with Deepika and Siddhant?
Sin, I'm so excited. I don't think I can even tell you how excited I am. I actually have this wish list on my phone where I have names of like directors I want to work with and actors I want to work with. And then when I actually got to put a tick mark on Shakun's name, was like, oh my God, like it's going to be a very interesting experience for me, because I'm just going to be sitting there with my book and writing everything that I'm learning from Shakun or Deepika or just everyone around on that set.
SRK had once said he can romance a pillar. That is true. You know, some of the most magical moments in Mehuna were not scripted. SRK made them come to life.
अगर आप किसी के फैन हो तो उन्हें मत मिलना, क्योंकि वो भ्रम जो होता है वो टूट जाता है, you know, and your heart breaks normally. But he is one person. If you're a fan of Shah Rukh Khan and you meet him, you will become a much bigger fan of his. He is so humble, he is so polite, he's so wise, you know. I used to just want to listen to him talk, and you know, you can spend hours listening to him talk.
Okay, a celebrity who is still not on TikTok, but you would like to invite him or her. Shah Rukh Khan. Okay, but why is that? Do you think that Shah Rukh Khan can be a huge hit on TikTok as well?
मुझे देखना है कि वो कैसे कंटेंट बनाएंगे आगे. क्या करेंगे वो आगे उधर.
Okay, and if you have to ask a question to Amir Khan, what will you ask him?
Oh my God. How do you, how do you decide the kind of work that you want to do? Because how are you on the ball all the time, and how are you so right? I think he's the best visionary in this industry. I think the whole idea of promotions was kind of brought by him in a way that he took it to the next level.
Yeah. For Pakistan, how was the experience of working with Amir Khan in Dil?
It was wonderful. He looks very Sida, but he's very mischievous. And that's what I came to know when we did Dil. But it was wonderful because he's a good actor, very good actor.
You know, I have also deleted Twitter. You know, I very intermittently keep coming on Twitter to see something which I think is very important, is because it's the most toxic social media platform, if I can say. The idea was to inform people. The idea was to, you know, educate people, you know, make knowledge accessible at the click of a button. But I really don't see that happening. You know, today we realize that it is every single day, if you do a research, because I do, every single day, 8 on 10 things that are trending in our country 24/7 are politically derived. So it is absolutely dependent on us how we see things or how we want to take things in. You know, I have lost friends who were like 25-year-old friends, 28-year-old friends because of our political ideologies.
Sir, मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि there are certain things on that app that are happening which I'm not really happy with. मेरा content चोरी होता है and sir वो content मतलब मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया था, हॉरर का वीडियो था, आखिरी सफर नाम का, एंड सर उस पे 11 मिलियन व्यूज है कुछ यूट्यूब पे. किसी ने वो वीडियो पूरा कट करके टिकटॉक पे डाला है, उसको 100 मिलियन व्यूज है, 100 टोटल आप वो सीन्स के मिला दो. सो माय 11 मिलियन व्यूज and my work created by someone who's eating my credit has 100 million views. So this particular angle I really hate. And there have been a lot of times जहाँ पे content चोरी होता है मेरा, and I've been trying to get it removed, but कुछ हो नहीं रहा है. That is the reason I had to come on TikTok.
How to look at this Neha Dhupia controversy?
I know it was very wrong about what happened with that guy. मेरे को भी बहुत बुरा लग रहा था. इनफैक्ट जब वो वीडियो खत्म होती है, मैं उसको कुछ नहीं बोला और जाते जाते मैंने उसको ये बात बोली कि मैंने कहा करण मेरी बात समझ, ये लोग इस बात से गुस्सा नहीं है कि तूने उसको मारा, तूने मारा बात पुरानी होगी, वो उस बात से गुस्सा है कि तुझे लग रहा है तूने सही किया. There is a difference.
Okay, what is the most irritating thing about shooting and intimate scenes in films?
The 100 people around. Why does the moment get killed when there's 50 people staring at you who are doing nothing? All they're doing is drinking chai. Why?
Only if you matter and if you are somebody worth talking about is when someone is going to spend time and effort in trolling you or making memes on you or just spending time on you. So there are people who are spending their time and effort on me, you know, just to make me more and more famous. I mean, like, great, that means I matter. If I don't matter, they wouldn't care. There are millions of people. Why would they bother? They don't bother about everyone. You are the chosen one, so they bother about you.
For me, I know being an outsider was difficult, but I enjoyed my journey. So I'm not complaining for that reason. I'm very proud of myself. I'm an outsider. So kya hua? Today I'm a part of the film industry. My kids are going to be star kids.
अनुराग कश्यप के साथ कब काम करूंगा उसको भी नहीं पता होगा. वो कभी
कभी सोचता कुछ है, कर देता कुछ है. I really don't know when he's going to work with me, but I'd love to work with him. I keep telling him also, or I love him. And I tell him that I don't expect you to work with me, but I would love to work with you. And that, I finish my sentence there. जब दुनिया में सब जगह शांति होगी तब भी वो रेबल होगा. वो रेबल पैदा हुआ है, अनुराग कश्यप.
Why do I think I'm popular amongst the kids? I guess it's because I have a child's head, a childlike imagination, and the things I do, are very appealing to children and the youth. If I was a kid, I think I would have liked me too.
So I was saying that, do you feel that the criticism for Kabir Singh that came, do you feel that it was a bit unfair?
I think most people largely misconstrued the film, and there was a very big argument about how the hero and his actions were glorified, and I just feel that is the language of film. That is a choice of a director to showcase a character in a certain manner.
I think that Valentine's Day is a great day. It's a great day to take your loved ones to the cinema hall and watch great films about great love. I think that's great.
Right.
But I also think that in general, whether it's love or celebrating those that are special to you, I don't think then there needs to be a day to kind of celebrate that. I think it should happen every day.
What kind of girl he wants to get married?
Sir, someone like I think someone like the Deepika Padukone, the way she is, one who shows off her husband proudly.
One thing everyone must know about Ranveer Singh.
About Ranveer Singh, that I think everybody knows that he's super energetic in life, and the only way to kind of calm him down is cut his supply of coffee. He didn't drink any coffee during the entire shoot of Lutera.
83 cannot release on an OTT platform, unfortunately. It's too big a movie. Scale wise, every movie is big. अपने जगह पे हर पिक्चर बड़ी होती है. लेकिन 83 ऐसे सोचना चाहिए कि ये पिक्चर तो 84 में बननी चाहिए थी और 84 में रिलीज होनी चाहिए थी. But so it's delayed a little more. थोड़ी और डिले देख लेंगे, थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होगा, थोड़ा नुकसान भी होगा, लेकिन eventually
acting is like special effects. If you can see special effects, it's bad special effects. Same way if you can see acting, it's bad acting.
और सीरीज के अंत में एक लाइन है मेरा, कुछ तो बोलता हूँ मैं कि जब तक दोष साबित नहीं हो जाता तब तक कोई भी व्यक्ति निर्दोष है.
जी इनोसेंट टिल प्रूवन गिल्टी है.
हाँ. ये लाइन ऑलमोस्ट हम सब लोग जानते हैं, बट कई बार इस लाइन का दुरुपयोग भी होते रहता है.
तो मैं हमेशा ये सोचता हूँ कि जब मैं स्विच भी किया तो मुझे ये नहीं था कि मुझे सो कॉल्ड फिल्म में हीरो बनना है, मैं हीरो का रोल करूंगा. नहीं, मुझे एक्टर बनना है. हीरो में कब बन जाऊंगा वो शायद मुझे भी पता ना चले, बट मैं अगर हीरो बन गया और एक्टर नहीं बन पाया तो बहुत तकलीफ की बात है. फिर मैं उस रेस में भाग लेके फटाफट बाहर हो जाऊंगा. बेटर है भागते रहो, एक दिन जीत ही जाओगे आगे.
कि एक अच्छा लिखा हुआ रोल अच्छे एक्टर्स के पास जाना बहुत जरूरी होता है. अगर बहुत ऑथर बैक रोल आप किसी एवरेज एक्टर को दे दोगे ना तो वो जो पुश नहीं मिलेगा उसको. बिल्कुल दिस आई वांट टू से इनसाइडर आउटसाइडर से ज्यादा जरूरी है कि यार जो एक्टर्स लोग हैं वो एक्टिंग के ऊपर बातें करें तो ज्यादा बेटर होगा. सिनेमा के बारे में बातें ही नहीं होती, एक्टिंग के ऊपर बातें ही नहीं करता कोई. आउटसाइडर इनसाइडर ये वो, उसमें इसकी शर्ट मेरी शर्ट से सफेद कैसे है, इन सब चीजों के, इस तरह की चीजों के ऊपर बातें हो रही हैं. बट कभी कभी मुझे भी महसूस होता है कि यार हम आर्टिस्ट लोग हैं, एक्टिंग के ऊपर कौन बात करेगा, फिर सिनेमा के ऊपर कौन बात करेगा. अगर आर्टिस्ट ही सिनेमा के ऊपर बात नहीं कर रहा है, एक्टिंग के ऊपर बात नहीं करेगा तो फिर कौन करेगा. तो वो थोड़ा सा हम लोगों को भी थोड़ा सा रहना चाहिए कि आउटसाइडर इनसाइडर ये वो ये सारी चीजें छोड़ के सिनेमा के ऊपर बातें करें तो ज्यादा बेटर.
My sister wouldn't eat vegetables and fruits, so my mom would say if you eat them you'll grow fair. So she would eat something that she didn't like just to grow fair. So that used to hurt me because I had someone at home who did what she didn't like to grow fair, and it kind of hurt me, and I thought I need to stand up for that. I need to, at least for my sister's sake. Otherwise, what do I do with all that money if I don't give her some sort of solace? So yeah, it was a personal choice.
You know, somehow through comedy, we let people know about a way of life which would be easier, happier, better. Instead of, you know, all the pressures that you live with, you need to kind of sort out your life a bit. So ये comedy के through हो सकता है.
Cinema, sadly, in our country is taken as only entertainment and not as an art form. But cinema should also be seen as something that documents society.
देखो क्या है ना कि आपने बहुत सही बात कही कि पावर माइंड गेम है, कि आपको पावरफुल होने के लिए पावरफुल दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है. जो एक्चुअल पावरफुल लोग होते हैं उनके आसपास का ऑरा जो है ना वो उनका पावर क्रिएट कर देता है, वो खुद से नहीं करते हैं.
I think a lot of struggles are going to happen, but it's about facing them and surpassing them, isn't it? All the struggles. So I think if you know what you want to do, and if you think you can get there at this time, no matter what comes your way, I think we can deal with it.
Without a good script, a good director is nothing. So I owe everything to my writers. You know, success or failure, it's all it begins from the script.
नसीरुद्दीन शाह. तो नसीर भाई ने ना एक बहुत कमाल की चीज कही जो कि और एंड इट हैपेंड वेरी अर्लियर इन माय करियर, क्योंकि वो एक कोई प्ले देखने आए थे शायद, और फिर उसके बाद कुछ बातचीत हो रही थी, तो उन्होंने एक बात कही कि एक्टिंग तभी करिए जब आपको लगता है कि अगर इसके अलावा कोई काम करूंगा तो चैन में नहीं रहूंगा, जिंदा नहीं रहूंगा.
All right. If you would like to introduce any one rule in the entertainment industry, what would that be?
The right to fight for an opportunity should be equal and available to all.
Difficulties are always good enough. And in sooner the better. You know, मतलब इसमें ऐसा है कि जितना जल्दी फेल हो जाओगे ना उतना अच्छा.
क्या बात.
Fail early, fail fast, so that you know how to go about it.
I don't want to be a bad actor and a star. I want to be known as a good actor who became a star.
According to you, what is the most beautiful thing about life?
Life itself. Life itself. As of right now, you know, you're there. You're around. You're seeing, you're watching, you're eating, you're meeting people. You can speak. You can make people understand what you're trying to say and everything, and you're still alive. That's the most beautiful part of life. And mind you, it's going to end someday, so leave it. Lead it as soon as possible. And a man who's not happy with what he does today is never going to be happy. I personally am a believer that cinema is a prayer, and I believe it should happen in a theater. Cinema is for theaters. It's for a community. Like, you know, you want to go out with your family. It's an outing, my friend. It's not that. I never believed that I'm lesser than someone. So I don't think anybody should believe that. You know, you don't need to be bigger than someone, but you can't be lesser than someone. I mean, you can do it too. If some other human being with blood and flesh can do it, you can do it too. Just do it. Who's stopping you from achieving anything? Everything is out there, is ready.
From an outsider's point of view, what is wrong is to put somebody down. You know what I mean? That's the only thing I feel, because we are so in your face. So each time, even if it's done in fun or as a joke or whatever, I think it was becoming a bit too much of putting people down.
I've never taken myself too seriously. I don't think you should take yourself too seriously. You know, life is tough enough as it is. Learn to laugh at it. You know, learn to laugh at yourself and get on with it. Know what your goal is and try and achieve it. And, you know, if you can do it smiling, and albeit at your expense at times, go for it, man. You know, life can't be so serious after all.
जो मेरी माँ ने कहा मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. हम सब इंडस्ट्री को बहुत गालियां देते हैं और आजकल तो ज्यादा ही चलन है इस चीज का. मैंने एक चीज बहुत अच्छी पाई है इस इंडस्ट्री के बारे में, और शायद इसलिए मैं इतने सालों से यहाँ टिकी हूँ और यहाँ टिके रहना चाहती हूँ, कि हमारी इंडस्ट्री लाख बुरी है, लेकिन इसमें ना टैलेंट जो है वो सर चढ़ के बोलता है, वो छुपता नहीं है. नवाज एक सीन में है मुन्ना भाई MBBS के जहाँ पिट रहे हैं, वो सीन था. आजा नचले में वो एक भिखारी है जो बीच बीच में आते हैं. 2007 की फिल्म है आजा नचले. और आज आप नवाज को देखिए जहां वो अपने आप में एक कलाकार है जिनका एक मुकाम है. इरफान साहब को देख लीजिए, राजकुमार राव को देख लीजिए, रिचा को देख लीजिए, हुमा, मैं, राधिका आप्टे, मतलब बहुत सारे नाम है, जीशान अयूब, दीपक डोबरियाल, बहुत सारे नाम. सो आई थिंक दैट पंकज त्रिपाठी जी, ऐसे भी मतलब संजय मिश्रा जी, तो मुझे लगता है कि ये हमारी इंडस्ट्री की सबसे खूबसूरत बात है. और मेरी माँ ने मुझे सिखाया ये बैलेंस करना और अपने सारे जो एकेडमिक बैगेज है और उसको अपने फिल्म स्टार एम्बिशन से कैसे बैलेंस करना?
A lot of nice, intelligent, educated, smart, medically trained people. So let's listen to them. Let's find a way how in India we can make. And if you ask me, as an illiterate, as somebody who knows nothing, मुझे एक चीज मालूम है life में, that one of the things that heal people or correct the course for people is gentleness. That I know, and I'm talking to with my experience. I've seen that. I've done that to a lot of people, and I've seen them heal and change and be better. I have a lot of people who've done that to me, and my life has become better. So before we go to the books and the psychiatrist and all that system, yes, that's the passage, that's the course. But I think we need to start being more gentle with each other. That'll be a great beginning.
If you cannot learn to grow from tragedy, and you cannot learn to change and grow in the time like this in humanity that's never existed before, I don't know. I guess God himself will have to come down and shake you,
My entire life so far has been devoted to just this one activity. I really know nothing about anything else.
Don't ever pity yourself. When you pity yourself, you will start cursing the world around you.
The best way to live life is to write your own eulogy and, think what you want people to say, not today, but after you've passed, after your death. How would you like to be remembered?
Believe this. You can buy, money can buy anything. You can't buy dignity, you can't buy credibility, you can't buy art. It's priceless. And you have to earn these things. You have to earn respect. You have to earn loyalty. You have to earn integrity. And you can only do that by your choices and the way that you conduct your.
My motto in life is beauty is as beauty does. And I really stand by that you can be the most good looking person, but if you don't stand for the right things and really, do right, and like I said, good thoughts, good words, good deeds, that for me is paramount.
Honestly, any kind of censorship bothers me personally. I think art is to be, I think art should not really be dictated. You can show this or can't show this. I think people should be, there should be warnings. And, certain content should not be consumed by people of under a certain age or etc. But I'm not too fond of limitations on what we are able to put out and what we can't. That's my opinion. I hope we don't head very far down in that direction. Honestly, I hope not.
मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि मैं ना एक्टर हूँ, ठीक है? मेरा हर चीज पे ओपिनियन होना जरूरी नहीं। मेरा प्राइमरी जॉब है टू एक्ट। और मेरे काम से आप मुझे जानिए और I don't have to be the most intelligent person in the world. I'm not a politician. I'm not a world leader. I don't have to give opinions on any and everything.
When I started acting at that point of time, because my father, I come from a family where my folks have been theatre artists. Like my father did practice theatre, my grandmother did practice theatre, but everything was just as a hobby. It was never taken as a profession. It was always tum MBA karo ya fir doctor bano ya fir ye karo ya fir engineer bano, that kind of thing. So when this happens, when I'm going ahead with something like this, then what am I thinking? So this is something I needed to discuss with my father. And when I said this, he said, you have to make your call, because with freedom will come responsibility. So you are responsible for your freedom. So make use of it well or misuse it. It's up to you.
दरअसल जिंदगी में जो मैंने सबसे ज्यादा फॉलो किया है और जिस पे बिलीव किया है वो आमिर का डायलॉग है जिसमें वो कहते हैं अपन पब्लिक है, जो अपन को पसंद नहीं उसका पत्ता गुल, और जो अपन को, that's the truth of life, man. They are the ones who make us. They are the ones who make us everything that we are, take us to the great heights of stardom. So it's always a big thank you to the audiences first and then everything else.